Our short phrase and sentence for you today is Olebe igodode. Olebe igodode, which means where is key? Olebe igodode. And when we ask this question, what is the response we're expecting from you? You will say Odieba. Odieba, which means it is here. If this is the first time you are watching this video series, please take note of the color of each word or group of words that make up the sentences and phrases, as they are meant to give you the exact meaning of each word as they make up the sentence or phrase, so that you understand the structures and be able to express yourself better in Igbo language. Please go out there as you come back from work today or from school. Please ask your mom or dad, ask your children, Olebe igodode, and expect this answer from them, or the eba, if it's here or wherever it is. And please, as you do, don't forget to subscribe to this channel so that you don't miss our next upload. Also, like and comment so that we can know how to serve you better and help others to discover the same thing. God bless you.